So we are going to discuss logical and physical network addresses. So a logical address are set logical because of the fact that they can change their value depending on where they are located inside a network. Such is because these are temporary addresses that are assigned by the network or the DHCP in particular. We will talk about DHCP in the coming lectures for sure. When these networks or DHCP servers change, the logical address of a node also changes. So for example, let's say if a node connected to a network A moves to another network, a network B, its logical address will change according to the address of the new network B. The same is true for the DHCP server. If a node is connected to a DHCP server A and it goes to another network and it gets connected to a DHCP server B, then its logical address will change according to the DHCP server B. So if you are sitting in an office, your current address is the office itself. But when you are at home, your current address changes to your home accordingly. Such is the concept of a logical address. The same is true for networks too. Such a logical address is named as an IP address or Internet Protocol address. Now, the problem is, since these logical addresses keep on changing depending on the location of the node, how a node can distinguish if it is talking to the new node which has came into the network just now or to the old node that was in the same network. Coming to an example, your temporary address was your office or either your home. Your address keeps on changing while you are traveling. So if you are going to the coffee shop, your local address will be the coffee shop, not your home. So if you travel a lot, your current address or the logical address will keeps on changing. And if such is the case, then how can a person find you when he needs you the most? For that, he or she needs your permanent address, which is your home. Similarly for nodes, since the logical address keeps on changing, there is another permanent address that helps in identifying a node uniquely. This address is known as a MAC address or Media Access Control address. This address is a permanent one and it never changes, just like the address of your home. In the figure we can see a network of nodes with the logical and physical addresses as follows. The addresses in the green ones are the logical addresses, those are the IP addresses, and the addresses shown in the red are the physical address or the MAC addresses. So 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.2, 3, 4, 5, these are IP addresses. These will keep on changing if all of the devices keeps on changing the network. Now the ones which are red are the physical address or the MAC addresses and they never change.